So you wanna just like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, so this is going to be a video of me slicking down this hair, which I've done once before and I really liked it. So I'm just like, let me try to show you guys how I get this style. My hair is freshly washed. It's damp still. You don't want your hair to be soaking wet for this style because I just feel like it's not going to mold properly. And you don't want to put too many products in your hair. Like I put a little bit of leave-in. I used the Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage Conditioner. Just a tiny bit. And then I'm going to be using this gel to lock in the style. That's it. Like, I'm not putting any oil on my hair. I'm not doing anything else but that. Some people use like a mousse, which could work. Like, if I would use a mousse, I would put that on before I did the gel. But let's just get right into it. This video is going to be very short, hopefully. We're going to be very generous. Wait, can you guys see my whole head? Hold on. Okay. We're gonna be very generous with the gel. And I'm doing a part around here. So we wanna just like kind of start molding it. I can't really see too well in my camera screen because my ring light is so bright. It's like blinding me. So I might have to like look over here. You want to just gel everything down with your hands first. Once you feel like you have saturated your hair evenly, this is like the stubborn part for me, the top middle right here. Okay. Now you want to use the comb and you want to smooth everything out. And it doesn't have to be super perfect right now. This is just the first step of smoothing it out. We have to use a brush after this. I could do like a little ponytail. It's so funny. You can't be afraid to use a lot of gel because if you have really tight curls, you're gonna see like some just like pop up. I believe I have like a 3C4A hair type. Please let me know if you think otherwise. I would love to know your opinion on that because I don't really know. I just never could really tell because sometimes I feel like my hair is definitely in the 4A. I wish I had a harder brush. This hair is like, this brush is perfect for baby hairs, but it's not really grabbing the hairs like I want it to. I feel like a comb is working better than the brush when it comes to like styling the finger wave part. Even though I wasn't really planning on doing the finger wave part, this is very basic. And then same with this. You want to just like down and then bring it back. Then you can use your finger to like secure it. It's looking really cute. But you see how like hairs are popping up. I'm pretty much getting the finger wave look happening. So you wanna just like brush down. You can also use your fingers to guide it, but just brush down and then to the side, down and to the side. And I'm gonna leave these hairs like out and curve them. Ooh. We're gonna hopefully fix that because we are going to place a scarf on our head, or I'm gonna use a do-rag because I just find it to be way more convenient. And just add a little bit more gel before we put the do-rag on. How cute is my do-rag? You want to pull the do-rag as tight as possible so that it is really pressing down on your hair. I'm gonna leave this on for like about an hour. I'm going to the supermarket just like these. And I'll be back to show you how it comes out. Hey guys, so I am back. Did I tell you guys I was going to the supermarket? That's why I changed my shirt. But I'm back from the supermarket. It's freezing over here in New York City. I would say like 30 minutes has passed and we're about to see the results. I'm a little nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm afraid to show you guys. Okay. Still kind of wet. So I'm gonna try to like mold these parts so there's no like, it's looking cute though. I kind of like it. I don't know, the back might be a little crazy. Hold on. Because like the hair was sticking out. It's probably like a mullet vibe. Ah! Hold on, hold on. I might leave it on for a few more minutes. I'm about to get super cute because I'm having date night here at my apartment and my boyfriend's about to be here, so kind of want to like change and everything anyway. So I'm gonna leave this on because it's definitely not fully dry. Probably put like the, I'm not gonna tie it all the way because I wanna get super cute. He's like maybe 15 minutes away and I have to take off all these clothes. Okay guys, so I changed into my outfit and kind of blow dry my hair a bit, just a tiny bit, literally for like 1 minute. And here are the final results. I like them. I know I can do way better. I have to figure out a way to like not have like these little things here, but it's not that bad like in real life, like when I look in the mirror. It doesn't look so bad. I'm gonna open the door and have on like this like little black lace dress. I'll probably show you guys. It's not too crazy. That is the end of my video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.